What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Loner by Jumex. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video and the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial or I'll throat punch you in the mouth. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Alright guys, we're going to start off with the little riff that plays throughout the song. It's pretty easy. I'm going to have the guitar tab for this in the video description, so if you need that, jump into the video description once you get done with the tutorial. The guitar tab is there for you. It's very easy. You're starting out standard tuning, capo on the 4th fret, and you're going to go index finger on the 1st fret on the B string. You're going to pluck that 4 times. And then you're going to take it off and pluck 4 times. Then you're going to pluck 2 more times, and then go to the 3rd fret on the B string for 2 times, and then to the G string for 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you have that part down, you can jump into the chords for the song. There's only 4 chords. They repeat throughout the entire song, and if you need the diagrams, you can find them in the video description in the free ebook called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. It's 100% free. I give it away in all the videos. It has all the major chord diagrams in there, so if you need the chord diagrams, jump into the video description. Once you get done, grab your free ebook. We're going to start with an A minor chord. It's going to be 002210. Then we're going to go E minor, 022000, G major, 320003, and then C major, 032010. Once you have the chords down, all you need is your strumming pattern. It's going to be down, 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 up, 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 down, down, down. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you got to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now, the way it's going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is going to win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.